Transform your van into a safari rig with Wasatch Overland awning windows. MacGyver. Alright, today's video, Maxx Air Fan install easy edition. There's the van with the new roof. First camping trip, Antelope Island in Utah. We're gonna look for some bison later. I'm gonna be MacGyver right now and hook up this Maxx fan. Here's the Maxx fan wiring, positive and negative. And there's my bags. 3 of my bags fit there. That helps with the space already. We'll talk about that later. So I'm gonna 12 volt this. So I got this 12 volt power cord. So I'm gonna cut this. I'm gonna cut this out and then turn this into a plug for the Maxx fan. Okay, so I cut this off and strip the wires. So hopefully I get this on the first try, get positive and negative correct. Obviously this isn't marked, so it might take 2 chances, 2 turns. So let's try it. Got it on the first try. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up, but check it out. MacGyver. Nice. So it's running 16 watts and I have the speed at 100. So a bunch of power stations in here. Okay, electrical tape to cover the exposed wires. Running it off the power station, and here's the remote. So I have the vent closed, so now I'm running it as a ceiling fan right now. 100% power, 21 watts. I got the optional storage nets for this top to hold stuff like this remote. All right, let's try this out. Okay, fans up. So feels like the air's in. Okay, right there, air in. Okay, there's air out. Nice. This is cool. I feel too fancy. I feel fancy with these windows too. Look at this. Show you guys videos later. I'll make separate videos for everything. I'll organize here in a second. We're gonna settle in soon. Okay, we're gonna hang out at our camp spot for the day. All my bags are there. Brooke's gonna sit here. I'm gonna fold this into a sofa while I edit. And here's the back. A lot of stuff, but no longer cluttered because I'm able to fit all my bags up there. All right, I'm gonna edit this video right now. There's a Starlink right there. If you're getting a high top roof and a Maxx Air Fan installed at the same time, or you just put in a Maxx Air Fan and you want it functioning right away, 12 volt extension cord, wire strippers, and electrical tape. I didn't have any of that in my van, so I just went to O'Reilly's real quick and spent $41. You could get these parts for a lot cheaper on Amazon, but I wanted my fan working right now on the road. If this video helped you out, and your Maxx Air Fan is now functioning, let me know in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up and a hype. It helps my channel out a lot. Quick look at this campground. We got a RV here, SUV right there. Those are cottages way back there. Yeah, trailer there. Rooftop tent. Truck camper. Looks like a bison way out there, and that's a beach way off out into the distance. Cool campground. Antelope Island. First camping trip after getting my Wasatch roof. There's the bison right there. I'm right next to it.